Hi you guys. So first up, my hair is looking a little Shirley Temple right now. When I was curling it, I was feeling kind of lazy, so I curled everything in the same direction instead of alternating, and it kind of ended up like this, and it would take a while to fix it, and we're just gonna let it do its thing for now, because the whole ignore what's going on with my hair thing is like a month-long thing now, because my hair is just, I hate this length. I hate it. I either like my hair long or I like it short. This just touching the no, I don't. I'm not loving it, at least not in the cut it's currently in. I just, Anyway, we are here today to unbox the Sephora Play Unboxing for September, and I've heard they changed a few things in the box, so we're going to kind of just jump right into this and go through everything and see what has changed. Oh, and I'm wearing my Harry Potter t-shirt today. Alright, so let's get into the box. Here is what it looks like. Very typical so far. Though I do notice right away that Sephora Play card says in-store or online. Is this going to last? Are they playing with me like they were before, where they did it for 1 month and then took it away? Because I would not be happy. Alright, well, we will see. Hopefully this is a permanent thing, because this would make me very, very happy and I would actually get to use these. It looks like I'm just looking to see what the theme is real quick. And it says the theme is Next Gen Beauty. All right, that is excellent. So I'm going to set this aside unless we need it. And this bag's a bit different. I'm not sure how I feel about this. It's see-through. It's plastic. It says it's recyclable, which is nice. Play by Sephora loves the planet. I bet that people were complaining and throwing away the old bags, and they wanted to do something that was more sustainable. I'm not sure if a plastic baggie that has to be recycled when most people don't tend to recycle properly is necessarily more sustainable than fabric bags that can be used for other purposes, because I wouldn't use this for anything else at all. It's very crinkly. I mean, it's got a cute design on it, but I'm not sure if I'm a huge fan of the bag change. I'd rather get like zipper bags or things that were more useful on a regular basis, and that also could be donated if it wasn't something that we wanted to use. That's just me. But I will say, the samples in here look a bit bigger than usual. So if a plastic bag equals better samples, then that I am down for. So let's get into this. I'm going to try and not look at everything, but it's kind of hard. So I'm just going to go one by one. First up, I've been wanting to try this. I love when this happens, when I get stuff I've been wanting to try in my bag. This is the Ole Henriksen Truth Serum. It's collagen boosted with True C Complex. This is a hydrating serum. It has vitamin C in it. Vitamin C is one of the best ingredients for your skin. I haven't tried it on my skin personally, but I know so much about it, and I've been looking and debating, okay, what brand do I want to try vitamin C from? Apparently this will be my first. It is excellent for hyperpigmentation, acne scarring, wrinkles. It really helps renew your skin's layers. So this looks amazing, and this is heavy. Okay, this is a 1/4 fluid ounce. That's a pretty good sample size for a serum. Okay, this is beautiful. Nice, thick, heavy. I can't tell if that's plastic or glass. I think it's plastic, but it's very, very heavy. Pump top bottle, thank you, love it. This looks really, really nice. It says apply evenly to face and neck daily after fully absorbed. Follow with the moisturizer of your choice. This looks wonderful. I cannot wait to try this. And this is a very, very generous sample size. I can probably get a week, maybe 2 out of this, which is kind of enough to tell if it's helping your skin, especially with a super active ingredient. So I cannot wait to try this. I also like that they have the bottle slightly colored because vitamin C serums will oxidize and can go bad if there's too much exposure to light, which is why a lot of people keep them in their fridges because it keeps them cool and reduces the exposure to light. There's a little pamphlet thing in here, but it doesn't suggest storage, so I'm assuming that this can be stored just at standard room temp and be just fine. But I cannot wait to try this. I'm actually going to add this into my skincare routine probably immediately. I might wait until after a concert, but I think I'm going to start using this immediately and see if it makes a difference, especially with me still having acne popping up and it trying to scar like crazy. I definitely want to do anything that will help prevent that. What's next? Okay, we have a packet. We all know how I feel about packets as samples. However, this is from Belief, and it says the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. It says, our belief to supply long-lasting moisture up to 26 hours with the soft, pure cream, formulated with powerful hydrating agent Comfrey Leaf. Watch out for the moisture attack. Okay, so it says for one-time use only. This is actually a lot of cream in here for a one-time use product, so I probably will get 2 uses out of this. I will probably just fold it up and put it in the fridge in between because it's got quite a bit of product in there. 0.10 fluid ounces. Belief Cosmetic, I believe it's a Korean brand, but it says it's based on the processes and philosophy from Scotland, but it's made in Korea. So anyway, very excited to try this. Anything that is moisturizing, please give it to me. I will take all the moisture I can get. And I don't mind packets when it's higher end, more expensive skincare products. They're still not my favorite. I wish it was like a little tub or something, but we'll deal. Next up we have, all right, the Sephora Lashcraft Big Volume Mascara. I've tried the original Lashcraft and I did not like it, but I will definitely try this one. I'm all for trying new mascaras. I will probably put this in my drawer and try it when I run out of my roller lash. But this is, again, a very nice size sample. Cute packaging. I really like it. Let me see the brush. The brush is almost identical to Too Faced mascara brushes. Doesn't look quite as fat though, and it looks a little bit longer. So we will give that a shot sometime later. All right, what's next? Ooh, Marc Jacobs, yes. This is the Highliner Matte Gel Eye Crayon. I do love Marc Jacobs highliners, and this is in the shade Earthquake. Let's peek at this. Ooh, it's a dark brown. Yay, I've been needing a dark brown eyeliner. I love that these twist up. The packaging on these is gorgeous. And then I'm like, yeah, huge fan. This is beautiful. And I believe you can smudge these. Let me see. I apply it right away. Okay, if you smudge it instantly, you can get it to smudge, but if you let it set for more than about 10 seconds, it's not moving. I mean, like, not moving. Okay, I'm gonna have to get makeup remover to get that off. Yay! I really love Marc Jacobs products. This is a larger sample of the highliner than I've had before. They do dry out fairly quickly. Marc Jacobs is more towards a luxury level makeup, in my opinion, for the cost. So to me, if you're spending that much on an eyeliner, that better be the kind of eyeliner you're going to wear like every single day. So anyway, moving on, I'm very excited to try that. I'm actually going to throw that into my rotation right away because the only brown eyeliner I have right now I don't like. So this is going to be fantastic for fall. All right, we have 2 more samples. Ooh, okay, next up is the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer with coconut water, probiotic-based ingredient, and skin revivers. And it is silicone-free for all of you who hate silicone-based primers. I am very excited to try this. I like the little sample. It's so, so cute. You don't get a ton of product in here, but it's still 0.16 fluid ounces. You can get quite a few uses out of this. I, again, like that it's in a squeeze tube instead of like a packet or anything, and it's still got, like, it's adorable. I like miniature things. Anyway, I'm excited to try this. I'm actually kind of dying today because I stayed up last night to watch BTS on Fallon. It was amazing. I loved that he talked about, you know, their causes, etc. Everything was related to the music, or, you know, their Love Yourself campaign and things like that, and speaking at the UN and all that, which made me so, so happy. And then I got up early this morning. Well, I'm already up early. I'm up at like 5 a.m. every day, you guys. It's ridiculous. I'm not a morning person. I hate it, but I kind of have no choice. So I was already up early, but I watched them on Good Morning America, which, again, thank you for the good interview. They did so, so good with the interview. They kept it to actual serious topics and not, you know, what do you want to eat while you're here? And do you have a girlfriend? And stupid questions that everyone's like, no, that's their private life. Just focus on what they're trying to share. So I loved it. The performance was good. And oh my gosh, at the end, there was this little girl who was about my daughter's age, and she was just crying her eyes out. And she got to meet them and hug them, and it was the cutest thing in the whole wide world. I'm like, oh, I probably saved like 10,000 photos from that because it's that adorable. Yeah, I'm ridiculous. I know. Anyway, for the nights when I get like 4 hours of sleep like I got last night, I'm hoping that something like this will help my skin look a little bit brighter and bouncier. I have no idea. I haven't tried it before, but we'll see. And we have one last thing. I told you it's going to be BTS in like every single video until the concert. I'm ridiculous. Oh, okay. Yay. I've been wanting to try this too. So I had tried the Clinique 72-hour moisture replenishing stuff gel. It's orange. I had tried that because it was new and Robbie Christie recommended it, and I like it, but it wasn't hydrating enough for my skin. I liked it if I used it as part of like a full skincare routine with a thicker moisturizer on top. But just using that as the only moisturizer, it wasn't enough for my skin. But I have been wanting to try this. This is the Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. We get half a fluid ounce, which is a really good size. This is going to last you a while. But the reason why I wanted to try this is supposed to help trap moisture in your skin, I believe. Let me double check. I don't want to give you guys like false information. Yeah, it's oil-free. It's supposed to lock in the moisture and help with the moisture barrier of your skin. And then it is supposed to block out pollutants and free radicals and help keep all that crap from the air going into your pores and affecting your skin and aging you and all that nasty stuff. And products like that have been around forever in Korea and countries where there is more air pollution, or at least it's more public that the air pollution's so bad than here in the US. Where I live, the air pollution, even though we live in more of a rural area, the air pollution is actually really bad because we have a lot of industry around us. So our air pollution is pretty bad most days, and especially if you're like sensitive, you have asthma, things like that, it can be difficult to breathe. Thankfully, I keep my house pretty well filtered, but I've been wanting to try something like this. And when I saw this like a couple weeks ago, I was like, ooh, I might have to try that. And yay, I get a sample. So I don't have to go out and buy it unless I really, really love it. I have to say, you guys, I am really impressed. I don't think there is anything in this box that I don't like. Well, I'm kind of on the Sephora mascara, but I'm very happy we did not get another lip product. because all we were getting was lip products. Now, if you want to send me some glosses, I might be okay with that. I've heard the Fenty Gloss Bomb is like insanely good. So if they maybe want to put that in a Sephora Play box, I'd be okay with that. But I complained about getting lipstick every single box. So I'm happy we got some different stuff this time. I love all the skincare products. I actually love that there's no hair care products, because some of the hair care products they send are fantastic, but some of them just do not work for me. Let me go over everything we got again really quick just to wrap everything up. We got the Ole Henriksen Truth Serum, the Sephora Lash Craft Big Volume, the Too Faced Hangover Primer, the Marc Jacobs Highliner in Earthquake, the Belief, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm, and the Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. I'm pretty pleased with this, and I like that we're getting bigger sample sizes too. So if we're getting bigger sample sizes in exchange for not getting fabric bags, like, I'm all over this. Alright guys, I hope that this video was helpful for you. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was, at least, if nothing else, somewhat entertaining. Are you guys still getting your Sephora Play boxes? And if you are, let me know what you got this month in the comments below. I'm always interested to see if someone got something different than me based on their profile, or if they've got similar skin tones to me and got something different. Like, I'm always curious, and I like knowing what's in the other boxes. It's just kind of fun. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post every Wednesday and Friday. Sometimes I have an off week and it ends up being like Thursday and Sunday, but I generally post 2 times a week unless things are crazy, in which case I will let you know on Twitter. And you can also click the little notification bell to get notified when I put up a new video. All my social media links, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat are down below. And you can follow me and chat to me there. I am always, always, always on Twitter. Like, probably like 40 times a day, I'm on Twitter. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye.